tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to draw a mouth using colored pencils. And in this case, the mouth is going to be slowly opened, so we're going to be able to see some of the teeth as well. We're going to be using Prismacolor colored pencils, and I'm working on gray toned paper for this demonstration. I'll begin by drawing the inside portion of the upper lip first using a light brown colored pencil. I'll do the same for the upper portion of the bottom lip, and then I'll go ahead and lightly draw the outlines for the rest of the lips, as well as begin to define some of the shapes for the teeth. Now at this stage in the drawing, I'm making very light marks, and I'm just using this light brown to basically plan out where the different shapes of the objects are going to be in my drawing. Once I've defined the lips and the teeth with some contour lines, I'll begin to add some of the local color that exists. In this case, I'm going to begin with a red colored pencil, and I'm going to start adding that color using cross contour lines. In other words, I'm going to look at the form of the lips, and I'm going to make my